Nag-evolve kasi, nagmo-morph itong mga pogo at human trafficking at scamming syndicate at patuloy nilang sinusubukang lokohin hindi lang tayo mga Pilipino, ibang mga nationals na mabibiktiman nila doon. So in a way, we're also racing against time. And again, we do appreciate the efforts of DFA.
Based on my readings, these scam hubs are allowed to operate at hinahayaan lang sila. Kasi kung ganun po ang mangyayari, paulit-ulit lang itong mangyayari. Baka mayroon tayong mga kababayan na maloko kasi linoloko sila eh. Sasabihin na magtatrabaho doon as cook, magtatrabaho as IT, tapos ikukulong. Marami ho talagang naloloko pero magaling ho kasi mangloko to eh. They post on Facebook, they post on social media, and then naloloko sila pagpunta nila doon. So we really need to educate our constituents na wag silang kakagat sa mga ganitong alok na talagang imposible.